This is Chris with Goodland Travel Agency. I'm here at the beautiful Joia Bávaro. We're going to be checking out an Oceanfront Butler Suite. Come on. All right, first thing I want to point out is ample storage here and, of course, your own personal robes for your stay. And then right over here, you're gonna have your mini bar. Now this is restocked daily and upon request. One thing that's really unique here is you have your bottled wine. That's not very common at a lot of different properties. So here they will restock daily and upon request. And you also have an espresso machine, and Bavaro Star brand is all about sustainability. So you won't find any plastic wrapped snacks here. Rather, they will have your snacks packaged in these reusable glass jars. Here is your mini fridge. Let's check out what we got here. This is a little bit unique here. Got some San Pellegrino, premium stuff here. Tonic water, some juices. You've got your white wine, and of course, your Fanta, Coke, and Sprite. And now let me show you around the bedroom. And one of the main features of this room are the beautiful beachfront views. Come on. This is always one of my favorite spots at beachfront resorts in Punta Cana. Kicking back, relaxing, and enjoying this beautiful view. Now come on over here, I'm going to show you the bathroom. One of the last features I want to point out on this balcony is this little table and chairs. This is perfect for ordering your 24-hour room service, enjoying a nice breakfast with these incredible views. And then one of my favorite features right behind me is the jacuzzi tub. Now I'm from Wisconsin, and let me tell you, when I take a soak at home, my views are nothing like this. Check out the views from this amazing jacuzzi tub. Chris here, the owner of Goodland Travel Agency. Thanks so much for viewing our content. We offer personalized service and expert knowledge. Contact us to book your next vacation and check us out at goodlandtravelagency.com.